Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add global payment system on Payoneer. So let's get started. For that, we need to get in any browser and simply search for payoneer.com. And we get into interface like this. Now over here, simply click on home over here and the top left and click on account activity. We need to click on transactions. And this is for local bank account details, but if we scroll down here we can see send a payment request almost everywhere in the world. So simply click on request a payment, afterwards the global payment system can be activated. So simply click on this to continue the further process. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.